It's bath time, come and play. Splash, splash feels so nice. Bubbles sparkle like ice. You're the happiest, nice and clean. Wash your face, shine so bright. Everything feels fresh and right. Rub and happy every day. Soaping dimples through the sky. Quack, quack! Floating gently on its back. Little boat sails away. Happy fish begin to play. Bath time fun is about to begin. Bubble pop, pop, wash your hair with bubbly foam. Make your bath your happy home. Now just rinse it off, don't be shy. Wash your shoulders, wash your toes. Wash your ears and little nose. Rub your toes waiting by the feet. Brush your shiny fluffy hair. Wash again. Rub your elbows, knees, and feet. Feeling fresh as sunny, fluffy hair.
Yellow towel, warm and soft.
Blue pajamas, cozy and bright.
Ready for a peaceful night.
Mommy smiles with your fresh as air. Splash, splash, clap your hands. Dance across the bathroom land. Bubble, bubble, floating free. Big and little, short and tall. Clean hands, clean face, happy smile. Let's dance for a little. Fresh and tidy every day. Healthy habits help us play. Thank you, water. Thank you, soap.
You help us shine with joy and hope.
Bath time fun is never done. We all sparkle like the sun. Wave goodbye with happy cheer.